अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो जैसे कभी आपने एक इक्वेशन देखी थी कि हमने किस तरह से उसको बैलेंस किया था, इसी तरीके से यहाँ पर एक और इक्वेशन है। और इसको भी हमें बैलेंस करना है। ये भी एसिडिक मीडियम में है। इट इज़ ऑलरेडी मैंशनड हियर। तो तरीकाकार बिल्कुल वैसे ही है जैसे कभी हमने पिछले इक्वेशन में देखा है। तो यहाँ पर एक तो स्पीशी है क्लोरेट आइन, और क्लोरेट क्लोराइड में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, जबकि आयोडाइड आयोडीन में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है। अच्छा, हम यहाँ पर इसकी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट भी निकाल सकते हैं, ClO3 माइनस। और डायरेक्टली भी निकाल सकते हैं, जैसे अगर -1 चार्ज है, हमें मालूम है कि ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर -2 चार्ज होता है। तो 3 2 6, -6 जब वो राइट हैंड साइड पे जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे -1 ऑलरेडी मुझे, तो +5 आ जाएगा, तो हम डायरेक्ट भी इसको +5 निकाल सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पर जो क्लोरीन है उसके ऊपर चार्ज है +5। और अगर आपको कन्फ्यूजन है तो नो प्रॉब्लम, आप उसे कैलकुलेट करके देख लीजिए। ओवरऑल चार्ज -1, 3 ऑक्सीजन एटम्स मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -2। एक ही क्लोरीन है, उसको एज इट इज छोड़ दीजिए। तो इट बिकम्स क्लोरीन -6 इज इक्वल टू -1। When you bring it on right hand side, it becomes +6. So ultimately it has +5 charge, as I have already mentioned. So the reaction shows that it is being reduced. This is the reduction process, and this is the oxidation process, because it is -1, and in neutral state iodine is 0. It has 0 oxidation number कह दें या charge कह दें, state कह दें. So it has 0 oxidation number, it has -1. So definitely it is losing electron. Okay, so now we start the same process of balancing the equation. So first of all, divide the equation in two parts. ClO3, this is the reduction half equation, and it becomes Cl minus. On the other hand, there is I negative and there is I2. Okay, so this is the reduction equation. In short, you can write it red and you can write it ox. Better to use the complete word reduction and oxidation. Okay. In second step, we balance the elements other than oxygen and hydrogen. So first equation has no problem. It would be written as it is, because other than oxygen there is chlorine. So chlorine, there is one chlorine. On the right hand side there is also one chlorine, no problem. But in this case, you have to put 2 with iodide on left hand side, because on right hand side there are 2 iodine. And the third step is the balancing of oxygen and hydrogen. So again, write this equation, keep some gap so that hydrogen and oxygen could be balanced. So as there are 3 oxygen atoms, so as per rule, you will add 3 water molecules so that oxygen can be balanced. Each water molecule has 1 oxygen, and hydrogen becomes unbalanced. And there was no hydrogen here, so 3 to the 6, 6 hydrogen ions, because equation is in acidic medium. Okay, so in this way, you have balanced the oxygen and hydrogen easily. Okay, and there is no effect on uh, the equation of the iodide remains same. There would be no change. So we can write it as it is. So here I have an option of duplication. So I can use the duplication option here. Okay, now the next step is balancing of charge or balancing of electron. So again, I'm going to copy the whole equations. So what will we do in next step? Next step, the fourth step, we have to balance electrons. So, one chlorine is accepting 6 electrons to become chloride. So definitely there would be addition of 6 electrons. So on left hand side, you will write 6 electrons. And one iodide is losing 1 electron. So two iodide lose 2 electrons. So there would be 2 electrons on right hand side. If you write electrons on right hand side, it shows the removal of electron. So in the next step, if it is 2 and it is 6, so LCM is also 6. So for balancing electron, we have to equalize the electron in both the equations. So what will we do? See, we multiply equation number 2, that is the oxidation equation. So here we can multiply oxidation equation by 3 to get same number of electrons. So as a result, see what happens. The first equation remains as it is, but in the other equation, there would be 2 3s are 6 iodide. Okay, so 6 iodide. So there would be 3 iodines. Now this equation is balanced. You can cancel out the electrons. So finally, we will add these equations together. This is the sixth step. Then after adding, you will get chlorate, ClO3 minus, plus 6I minus, plus 6 hydrogens, 3 iodines, 3 iodine molecules, 1 chloride, and 3 water molecules. So in this way, we have balanced the chemical equation.